Hello student, welcome to next practical of mobile application development. Today we see the practical number 7, that is develop a program to implement text view and edit view. Okay, so simple text view means in that we can display the text. It is similar like to label. And edit text means it is similar like to text field. Okay, in Java we can enter the single line of text. Okay, so edit text and text view, these two components we see in this practical. Okay, practical significance is in this practical UI control in Android like text view and edit view are studied, wherein the UI controller can be developed, used and placed on the screen using different layout manager as per the problem statement requirement. Okay, so we use the various layout manager. You can use any one from the type of layout manager and display these components. Okay, so program outcomes are basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tool, ethics and lifelong learning. These are the some program outcome of this practical. Okay, practical skill. After this practical, all students able to develop UI control like text view and edit view. Okay, so simple. I again tell you, text view means it is simple, it display the text. It is similar like label in advanced Java. Okay, and edit text means it is similar like to text field or text array. Okay, in that we can write the text or we can edit the text. Okay, so these two component we create. Here is some theoretical background is given. Text view. In Android, text view display the text to the user and optionally allows them to edit it programmatically. Text view is complete text editor. However, basic class is configured to not allow editing, but we can edit it. Okay, view is the parents class of text view. Being subclass of view, the text view component can be used in your application. Okay, so view is the parent class and the text view is the child of view class. GUI inside view group or as the content view of the activity, we can create text view instance by declaring it inside the layout. Okay, XML file में it is we can create designing. Okay, or by instanting in programmatically Java class. Okay, so here YZ is there, plain text view, large text, medium text, small text. Okay, edit text. Okay, here is we can directly add into text view. Okay, so this is the edit text where we can write the text. Edit text in Android, edit text is a standard entry widget in Android apps. It is an overlay over text view that configures itself to be editable. So edit text is a subclass of text view with text editing operations. Okay, often use edit text in our application in order to provide an input or text field. Okay, so it is, I tell you, edit text is a similar like to text field. The simplest example of edit text is login or sign up form. Text field in Android Studio are basically edit text. Okay, so let me see here some given. Okay, in your manual, when a program is given, write a program to accept user and program password from the end user using text view and edit text. Okay, so we simple design the form, username, login form. So for that, here I already write the code. First step is open new application, file, then new project. Okay, and give the name experiment number 7. Okay, or that you give any name that you want. Then here we use the absolute layout. Okay, so here open absolute layout, then write these 3 attributes. First I write Android, then URL, and next one Android layout width is equal to field parents and layout height is field parents. Okay, so this is here we start the absolute layout and at last we close the absolute layout. Inside that we place the code of component. Okay, then if you when you click on design, that time some design is display Okay, so by this by clicking on text view we can create the text view in your application. Okay, so here simple, I create two text view and two text edit text. Okay, two text view and two edit text and one button. Okay, so you select your design here. I zoom it. Okay, so this is your design. Here these two are the text view and these two are the edit view, and one button is created. Okay, so you directly right click on the component and then add to the form. Okay, and give the name, or as per your requirement change the okay, here add to design. Okay, so simply this component are added to your form. Next we see the how we can write the text view. First here text view is created, then here first attributes is layout x underscore x is equal to 110px. Okay, so layout x and layout y is very important attributes in the absolute layout. Why? Because we defined the x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, then text, what we want to display in text view. Here I type username, so it display the username string in the text view. Then layout width and height wrap content. Here first text view is closed. Then I declare edit text. Okay, then x coordinate, y coordinate. Okay, then width. When you change the position of component in design, it automatically set the component coordinates. Okay, जब आप डिजाइन में चेंज करोगे ये ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे वो चेंज कर देगा. So set according to requirement in design, so it automatically adjusts the coordinate. Okay, then width, hint, enter user. Okay, so hint is one attribute, so it display in the text view. This string is displaying text view in light. Then width and height. Okay, so this is first text view. Similarly we create the second text view. Okay, so change here, so for text view string is password, and okay, here one extra attributes is used. Why? Because second text edit text is used to enter the password. Okay, so here Android password is equal to true. Okay, then we'll create one button with label login. Okay, so this is simple designing code for the components. Okay, then next don't change any in main activity.java file, because we only design the to study text view, edit and edit view. Inside that we also see the button also. Okay, so simple click on play button to run the program. Okay, here my program is ready and output also ready. So this is program of output of experiment 7. Okay, username, password. Here one string is display, enter user. If I enter ABC, okay, so text is given, and when I enter password, okay, so that time it display dot. Okay, so why? Because here we add one attribute, text is equal to layout password. Okay, second editor edit. Okay, Android password is equal to true. Okay, so for edit text to it is for password dot it display the dot. Okay, then one button is display. So this is output of your practical number 7. Okay, so in this practical we see absolute layout. It is very easy. Absolute layout means, simple meaning of absolute layout is it set the component by x and y coordinate. Okay, so according to that we adjust the coordinates. Okay, and then we see edit text, text view and button. So thank you.